A cottage built with passion and purpose can be found in the heart of the countryside, with sloping terracotta roofs protecting an area where life flows smoothly. Its stone facade exudes timeless appeal. Windows that let in sunlight are framed by wooden shutters, and a wraparound porch with hanging plants provides peaceful times to stop and take a breath. Enter the cozy living area, where earthy hues and gentle textures envelop you in relaxation. The room is anchored by a warm fireplace that invites lingering laughing and storytelling. The farmhouse kitchen's apron front sink is ideally situated to look out at the garden, and its white cabinetry and hardwood counters give it a timeless vibe. With its circular wooden table and pendant lighting, the dining room nearby turns meals into treasured customs. With its king-size bed covered in plush sheets, the master bedroom is a peaceful retreat. Golden light streams into a reading nook by the window, and the walk-in closet provides easy organization. The bright and inviting guest bedroom offers guests a true haven with its queen bed and rustic-inspired furnishings. Practicality and elegance are combined in two well-designed bathrooms. The guest bathroom with neutral tiling and a walk-in shower, and the master ensuite with a freestanding bathtub and double vanity. The utility room, which has plenty of storage and necessary amenities, and the home office, which has built-in shelves and a desk, are both functional. A planted garden is alive outside, with walkways leading to a terrace shaded by a pergola for al fresco eating. This is more than just a house. It is a symbol of harmony, a place to nurture both body and soul.